So there's something really fun that you can do only if you wear a hair system, and I've been wanting to try it. And lucky for me, Lordhair sent me their latest invention for hair systems, and I thought, what better time to try something new than now? So you know the deal already. It's time to get rid of this one so we can start the process. This is Lordhair's Zyrosen Champion hair system. Yep, another Zyrosen system, but this time with a lace base. So keep in mind, this is my experience. Your experience might be a little bit different. If you've been wearing hair systems for a while, you know that they can get really itchy, especially if you're very active. But this system is antibacterial. You may not know this, but sometimes stuff just gets trapped under your hair system and it can breed bacteria. And bacteria is the reason that your scalp might itch, it might cause some smell or some irritation. And with a system that is antibacterial, that could help you have a less itchy scalp or less smell or less irritation. And that's what I found for me. I actually feel a lot more comfortable with this hair system. Also, it's going to make your hair system last longer. And because I know you're wondering, yes, it is antibacterial, but no, there are no special rules. You can just apply it like a regular hair system and you can wash it and do all your maintenance the way you would with any other hair system. And I know you're wondering if it's comfortable. This one is French lace, which means it's extremely breathable. And when I'm wearing it, I forget I even have it on because it feels like I'm wearing nothing at all. This one is the medium light density because I wanted it to match with my hair, and my natural hair is a little bit lighter because, you know, I'm a little bit older. But I think my favorite part about wearing a hair system is the fact that I can just change up my look without having to spend too much time on it. You want a different hair color? No problem. Do you want it to be longer or shorter? That's cool too. And as you can tell, this time I even went with curly hair. And that's one of the great things about wearing a hair system. The fact that you can swap your look without really having any doubts. You can have short hair, long hair, curly, straight, and you can even change the color. And if you change your mind, you can always swap to a different hair system. Oh, and if you don't like the wet look for your hair, easy. All you have to do is scrunch it up a bit and suddenly you've got dry hair. What about getting wet? It's fine. The hair system isn't going to get hurt, although that's kind of cold. But what if I still want to wear a hat? No problem, because you can wear a hat and still have a hair system, and it's no big deal. And if you live an active lifestyle like I obviously do, don't worry, because the hair system, it doesn't have any problem keeping up. And with the antibacterial properties, sweating doesn't lead to smell. Just ignore that. Moving on. So yeah, if you're tired of being bald, but you don't really want to do a hair transplant, you should try a hair system from Lordhair because it can change your life. I know it did for me.